I love the Hana Tsutsumi with a beautiful bow. Hana means flower in Japanese. I'm going to show you the Hana Tsutsumi method with easy steps. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place your item in the center. Take the corner close to you in the opposite corner and hold them together in the center. Take the two remaining corners and gather all four corners. Take an elastic band and tie them together. Take one corner at a time and turn it over to show the printed side. Then tuck the corner so that the elastic band holds it in place. Repeat the same steps for the remaining corners. Fluff the folded fabric and adjust each corner. Now you have a flower bow.